I'm already fucking breathing hard. Connor,
Did you just say you're already hard?
breathing hard? I'm already hard. Oh, monkeys turn me on.
If I attach my controllers to my feet and then just walk around.
That would be-
Uh-oh, I'm getting warnings about my controller battery.
Index. Hello? You can hear me, right?
yeah. Oh. Ah. I'm sorry, Connor. Don't touch me.
Why am I so fat?
Connor, my thing's around you. I know where you are.
Oh my god.
Come on, Connor, go away.
Get him, Connor. Get him. Get him, Connor. Get him. Run, Billy. Oh, I hit a tree.
Where is Connor? Oh, right there. Oh shit, I didn't move the Steam VR thing. Oh no.
You've been pranked.
Oh well, people are gonna have that in the video. Where
Billy,
did
are you know where I'm at?
No, I don't. Where are you?
You don't know? Billy, think, where would I be right now?
I don't know.
Oh, fuck. No, you know. Fuck. God, okay. Oh,
I wish I was slightly less neon blue.
then go change your color.
No.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, wait, I can just get up there like this. Okay. I can't do it anymore. Why can I not do it anymore? Okay.
Thank you, Gavin.
Make sure I'm not fucking running into anything. God damn it, Billy, get over here.
Go get Connor, Gavin. Oh no. Oh no, my headset.
Oh my god, I can't catch him.
Connor,
There
what are
we
you
go.
doing? Was I doing it fast? Was I actually doing it good?
God damn. Where's Connor? Oh, there he is.
Oh, fuck.
It's like
Oh,
watching
Billy,
a
up here,
snail
Billy.
climb a tree.
Up here, quick.
It's so sad
Yeah.
watching you do
Billy.
this.
Get up here,
That's how I
Billy.
climb trees in real life. Shut up. At least I can climb a real life tree.
I can climb a tree, it's not
Didn't
that hard.
fucking look like
Yeah,
it.
well, you're a fucking skinny little white kid.
Doesn't matter.
Balls.
Yeah, we're practically safe up here, right? Yeah. God damn it, Connor, calm down.
Oh, come on.
God damn it.
Connor,
Shit.
you're taking us too much exercise.
Oh. Wait, who is that? No, of course it's you. Oh, I'm catching up, Billy. Wait, who's the dark blue one again? Is that Billy? I can never remember. You guys need to switch your colors.
I already
One of
switched my
you, at
color.
least.
How? What am I punching?
Fuck.
Ow. God damn it, I just fucking scraped the ceiling. I need a higher ceiling. I'm too tall.
I overshot the branch. You're kidding me. Fuck, I hit my cord.
Oh,
Connor, he's behind you. Run.
No. I do not consent.
Oh, not that bad. You.
Wait, you coming for me, Billy, you bitch? But you are.
Oh shit.
I can't get up. No, no, no. Fuck. Bye, Billy.
Forward, forward, forward.
Why do I have grabbers if I can't grab anything?
We should probably tell Connor how to actually like move and shit. That might be helpful. Oh shit! I lag. No, I didn't lag. I glitched.
Ow. Fucking ceiling.
Fuck, Billy. Fuck off. Go for Connor.
I had to readjust. Shit.
Run, Connor.
Fucking hell.
Ow! I just smacked something.
Where are you? Connor, can you not be special at sitting in the middle of the... Never mind, Connor.
I'm sorry, I just fucking ripped my fingernail off.
Fuck off, Billy. Fuck you. You're just going after me. You're annoying Connor.
You're literally like fucking after me for the past 3 times. What do you mean?
Yeah, because you keep going after me.
No, that's the first time I tagged you.
Oh no. It's cursed my speed. Sometimes you go too fast.
Up, please, up, up, I said.
Shit. There we go. Get the fuck up. What?
You played, Gavin?
Ow! I punched my ceiling.
How do you punch your ceiling?
Yeah, because your fat ass keeps knows how to jump all of a sudden.
Oh. Gavin, are you... What do you mean all of a sudden? Where's Connor?
Oh, where'd Connor go? Oh. Connor!
What?
Yeah, he's in the tree, I think.
No,
See
you
you.
don't.
I see you there. Connor can see. Oh shit, he's coming for me.
I see Connor.
No, you don't.
No, you don't.
No, you don't.
Connor, run. He's coming straight for you. Connor, run.
Look, he looks so fat up there.
Oh my god, what
Connor
the fuck?
just jumped down. Hi, Connor. You're kind of breathing at me.
God damn it, why can't I not do it anymore?
You Connor, calm down. Oh my god.
No!
God damn it. I can just hear Connor breathing. I can hear him chasing me and just breathing. Oh my god. Where'd you go? Where's the bright blue monkey?
Oh my god.
Oh, I just destroyed my lamp.
Did you actually?
Probably. Ah,
Oh,
yes, excellent.
oh my god, he came out of nowhere. Who's chasing me?
Oh shit!
No! Fuck! Fuck! Shit, is that Connor? I don't know.
Can you tell by my movements it's Connor? Is that really how
Oh no,
it works?
Connor's right there. Oh my god, how's it going?
Don't seem impossible.
Oh shit, he's going for me. I'm sweating. Damn it!
You're
can't climb the wall,
breathing.
Where the fuck did you go? Fuck, I'm stuck. No! There we go. No. I'm stuck. God damn it. Here we go, I'm out. Oh,
Fuck
you're all the way on
you.
top of the fucking thing.
Were you
There's
chasing
an easier
me,
way to get up
Gavin?
there. Yes, because Connor got me.
Oh, did he now?
Did you fucking... You little bitch, you jumped. I didn't even know how to get up there.
I fell. Can you not, fucker? Why did you do that, Hunter? Hunter fucking chucked his water bottle at me.
Shit! God damn it, I can't get up there. There we go. Oh my god, I keep falling.
You fuckface. That's Dad. I can feel it. Well, ooga booga. Loser, I can't make it.
Fuck! I overshot it! Are you kidding me? Again! It's the second time I've overshot that shit. I can easily do it. I just keep overshooting it somehow.
He's your red monkey. You used to be blue monkey.
Fuck. God damn it.
Gavin, look. Gavin, look.
Ow!
Are you serious? Can you quit? Actually. Let me flick Gavin off in peace. Get Connor. He's being stupid. Look at him.
Oh my god. You gonna run, Billy? Fuck! I fell off! You could have stayed up there! Billy, you could have stayed up there. I fell off.
Gavin, I'm sorry. I expected more of you.
Where you going? Oh, Billy.
To your mama's house.
Aerial support. Oh no, I got stuck in the tree.
Get to your
Come on. I'm literally inside of you.
Oh, fuck.
See, I told you, it was literally inside of you.
Connor. How are you hanging right there, even? Wait, Gavin, come
I'm
here.
Operation Stealth Noob.
Gavin, come
Where is he?
here. Come here. Come to me. Come to where you
Is he
think
under
now.
the thing?
I'll give you a 10-second head start if you come here.
He's under the treehouse. I see his hand. I've been down there too. You
Oh,
can
how
glitch
is
your
he
hand
there?
through the side of the window to get down there. And you can all... Billy just tagging you right now. You can tag him through the ground. If you see his hand. So,
Get down here, hand.
it kind of sucks as a strat.
Get down here. Connor, you useless. Connor, wait. Stay still. Connor,
I see Connor slowly
Connor,
running
stay
away.
Still. Connor, stay still. Connor. Connor, stop. Connor, stop. Connor. Connor. Connor, please stop.
Is he just running? This
He's a fucking
Run, Connor, run. Get him,
Fine,
Billy,
I'll
get him.
get him,
Oh
I'll
no.
get
Come
him.
on, why'd you have to go under the tree? I can't see you now. Come on. Get to the treehouse quick.
Balls.
Where are you guys? Oh, I see Billy. I see you down there. Where's Connor? What's up, Billy? Where's Connor?
I think he's chasing me.
I don't see him.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah. You're finally back?
Yep.
Billy's by the scoreboard. Or the chalkboard in the middle.
Gavin, to the underground cave. Faster. Fuck you, Connor. Go away. Oh, you fuckface. Like how you do that faster than I can.
Yo, this looks like your mom's dresser drawer.
Oh, you fucking cat! My cat locked up next to me. How do you know,
Improbable.
Connor?
Because I've been in your mom's room before.
Same.
Play Minecraft!
You fucker! Where's Gavin? My cat's being an asshole.
Oh, I'm scared.
I like how you predicted me to be there.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, fuck, I don't want to fall.
No, why would you do that to me?
Oh wow.
I can't keep fucking running constantly.
I just wanted to get back up here.
Fuck.
Get you baited. No.
No!
Gavin, are you down here even? Gavin?
Where are you guys?
We're in the mine.
Oh, I'm still in the main. Holy crap! It is not fun up here, really.
Where?
Oh my god! I'm in the tallest tree and it's trippy. Holy fuck! I don't like this. That is not fun to be
Well,
up here.
get down here so we can chase you.
I'm stuck. I don't want to go down. I got the tallest tree and ugh. I have the chills now.
Oh shit. You're Connor. What? Just give it a little toot.
I can't keep
Oh.
constantly chasing.
Well, we gotta wait for Gavin to come here.
I'm coming.
Fuck no. God
Don't
damn
worry,
you, Billy.
Billy. Don't worry, when Gavin gets down here, it'll be easier for you. So I can actually go after Gavin. Oh shit. Oh, Gavin's here.
And I'm gone. Oops.
They call me Gavin!
What?
I heard that.
Where are you guys? I'm down here. I don't see you.
Gavin. I have that on. Gavin, I heard it and you're like, oops. What are you oopsing about?
I couldn't hold it in. Billy, where are you? Billy, come here. I'm gonna show you something. I need you to come down here.
Oops.
Get off the crystals, Billy. Come down here. Come to the little trench area. I need to show you a secret.
I already know about it. The underneath.
Yeah, underneath. Not underneath. It's somewhere underneath. Somewhere, though. Let's go. We just gotta find the secret area. Is this it? No. No, it's just a dark area. It's not the right area.
This is for all the e-girls. Go!
Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's not the right area. Fuck. We gotta find it.
I could use my. I can react.
Remember, Connor's down here probably hunting us. What does it look like?
Billy,
Gavin.
we can hide in here.
Oh. I can see the top of your head.
No, I can't.
Yeah, I can see your shoulders.
You gotta, like, perfectly go down.
So, do you come here often?
This is how we survive. Oh, I think my hands are sticking through. I gotta go like this. Where are you, Connor?
Oh,
Did you see me really go up?
Yeah, once you poke your head out, like, where are you?
Fuck. I just watched you peek. Yeah, it looks hilarious. Okay, I think it's safe to go. Oh, I'm stuck. My hand's stuck. Oh no. Billy. I can't. I'm stuck. Billy, I'm stuck.
Come out,
I'm
monkey.
stuck, Billy.
Oh no,
I'm stuck.
Oh no.
My hand's still stuck. I can't get out. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. We're good.
Connor, we're in the underneath right now.
Yeah. What's over here? I lost him. Billy,
I'm
where are you?
effectively blind down here.
Billy, are you in our spot, the secret spot, where you peeked your head out constantly?
That's where you peeked your head out.
Oh wait, he's not joking.
Connor passed me though. Like playing
I'm
hide
hiding in
and
the spot, Billy.
seek. I wish we could play hide and seek in VR. That'd be so fun.
There is hide and seek.
Is there?
Yeah, it's what's in Rec Room. You gotta be in Rec Room though.
Connor, no. Connor, no. Connor, no.
Did he find you, Billy?
Yes, he did. I'm running now.
Did I?
Connor,
Oh, I found Connor.
Do you see the minecart he
I
was in?
can't
That
see anything right now.
was sideways. You saw the minecart that was sideways?
I gotta fix my headset quick. There we go.
Gavin, you know the minecart
Billy, are you
that
near
was
Connor?
All I see is brown.
You know the minecart that was sideways, Gavin?
Yeah, I see it.
That's where I was. I was in that. And Connor
Where'd you
came
go?
in.
Billy, go to that, you know that dark area we found it first? Go to that.
Oh, that's not fair for Connor.
He can easily find it.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
literally-
he's fine. He could see me. I'm bright blue. Where are you, Gavin?
Yeah.
Do I see Gavin right now? Oh,
Billy, how's it going? Billy, come here. Come on, let's go. This way.
Watch them all go next one.
No, I can't.
Gavin.
Oh, squeeze.
Gavin, look. Oh, yeah. I didn't know you were this big.
I know he can't shield himself.
Connor, where are you?